Springfield wakes as Homer substitutes at Springfield Elementary, grin. In the chalk dust, Principal Skinner steeples eyebrows skeptically. Homer mashes his belt, declares, "I'm ready for learning." Bart hides behind lockers, whispering, "Eat my homework," giggling. Marge packs snacks, secretly hoping supervision ends without catastrophe. Homer slaps on a chalkboard, improvising, caramba, class." Lisa sits upright, cringing, explaining, "This is not science fair." The Springfield cafeteria flickers with color from Krusty mascot. A chalk tumble becomes slapstick, students giggle, Principal Skinner sighs. Homer writes, "Not my fault," on board, entering dodgeball chaos. Lisa mobilizes class project, builds a plan to fix chaos. Civic montage at Moe's, Simpsons console town, resolve restored.